We're going to be working on warm-up 6B. And here is warm-up 6B. I want you to try and do this and then come back and let's go over it and see how you did. So on this right here, let me scroll. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let me scroll out, zoom out, and let's just work on number 1. All right, it wants to know what is the area of the figure. First off, this figure is a square. That means all the sides are the same. So this side will be 7x squared y to the 4th. All of them will be 7x squared y to the 4th, 7x squared y to the 4th. Area of a square is length times width. So that means I'm going to take this times this. So my area will be 7x squared y to the 4th times 7x squared y to the 4th. So as I multiply that, I will take 7 times 7, which will give me 49. Then what you should have done was, how many x's do we have? I have x squared and x squared. Add, when you are multiplying, add the exponents. So it's x to the 4th. That's because x squared means there's 2 of them. And when I add them all up, there's 4 of them. Now, y to the 4th and y to the 4th, 4 plus 4 is 8. It is y to the 8th. This is the area of the square. Now, the difference is when you find perimeter, perimeter means to add up all the sides. Well, all of the sides we have here is 7x squared y to the 4th. You use the x squared y to the 4th. You're trying to figure out how many of those specifically do you have. You have 7, 7, 7, and 7. So if I take 7 times 4, I'm going to get 28. And I have 28x squared y to the 4th. This is what your perimeter needs to be. Remember, when you are doing perimeter, when you are finding perimeters of these, the exponents do not change, okay? You're just adding up the coefficients. Let's look at the next one on number 2. This one is asking you for the perimeter again. Now, this time it's not as a square, so that means not all the sides are the same, but it is a rectangle, so the opposite sides are the same. So down here will be x minus 8, and the one to the left will be the same as the one to the right, 5x plus 6. Now, add up all your x's. 5, 6, 7, and another 5. Okay, that's going to give us, my perimeter is going to be 12x. Then I'm going to take 6 minus 8 plus 6 minus 8, which gives me -4 or -4. This is what you should have gotten for your perimeter.